everybody, KJC3D here. For the last few weeks I've been working on a new project. My brother-in-law has a really cool train set in his basement that he's been building for the past several years. And I wanted to see if I could mock up his childhood home and design it in Tinkercad fully and then print it out. So I started off with a prototype house, and the first iteration of the project, I did it in white PLA because that's what I had on hand, but knew that I wanted to find a color that matched the house more specifically. Once I got the design good, I was able to find a Hatchbox light blue, which matched the house color pretty well. So this was the first go. There's obviously some flaws there, but over the past 3 weeks, I've been working on the final product, and here it is. I think it turned out pretty good. All the little details for the house came together pretty nice. The dormer upstairs, the pop-out window in the dining room, the back porch, and back bedroom, and then the other side of the house here. And I designed this to HO scale, which is 87:1. So just to give you an idea of the size, I'll put my mouse here next to it to show you what scale it is, or put a AA battery just to give you an idea of the scale here. But it was a fun project, a lot of work, learned a lot, got much more proficient with Tinkercad. I'm finding that that is a pretty powerful tool once you play around, and there's really no wrong way to use it. That's what I like about it. There's multiple ways that you can do things, and none of them are wrong. You know, just multiple ways to get around to doing the same thing sometimes. So here's my project. If you have any interest in learning about how I did this or finding out more, leave a comment for me below. And if you like this content, I'm going to be posting videos frequently. So please subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think. Love to hear your feedback or comments. Thank you, everybody. KJC3D out.